Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Soumya. In this video, let's cover Kaveri river system and let's learn about its origin, tributaries and mouth of the river. The river Kaveri originates from the Brahmagiri hills of Western Ghats. The place is known as Talakaveri. Its left bank tributaries are Hemavati, Shimsha, Arakavati. Its major right bank tributaries are Lakshmanatirtha, Kabini, Bhavani, Noyal, Amaravati. Grand Anicut was built on the river Kaveri and the river Kaveri drains into Bay of Bengal. In this video, we have covered Kaveri river system. If you want to cover the entire UPSC syllabus, kindly follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.